So if you guys don't remember, we went ahead and actually set up this phone right here, and it's currently running Honeygain. Now we got 3 phones that aren't actually running because we had no chargers until now. Thank you. And on top of that, we have a box of crappy phones that I have no idea what to do with, but I guess we'll figure that out today. For now guys, what I'm gonna do is actually go ahead and unbox this bad boy right here and get all these phones plugged in so we can actually start running them. Alright, so we got them out of the bag. Here they are. These bad boys, got all 5 of them. We're gonna go ahead and actually plug it in into these phones right here, and we will be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got them all plugged in, though they're all really low battery, and yeah, essentially this thing won't last a minute if we actually start using it. So what I'm gonna do is actually go ahead and leave these charging, and we're gonna go ahead and solve the issue with those phones right there. So if you guys don't remember, we actually set up a phone before in the previous episode from that box right there. But yeah, basically what we're gonna do is actually find a use for this phone right here. Because whenever you guys are doing a phone farm, sometimes you do order the wrong phones, and usually I would return them. However, yeah, we opened this phone and it's just a hassle to get it all returned, especially with COVID and all that. So what we're gonna do is essentially we're finding a use for these phones, and you know, it's part of the process. Alright, so what I was thinking we can do with this phone right here is actually we're gonna run some things with crypto related stuff. So I believe what we want to do is actually, let's open up the Play Store. I believe we can actually run crypto tab on this phone. If not, we're kind of screwed, but yeah, let's go ahead and give that a try. And if you guys don't remember, this phone is just amazing at loading, because yeah, it's not like I have to wait 15 minutes for something to show up. Yeah, that wasn't a joke. But look who decided to show up after an hour. Alright, we're gonna open this bad boy up. If it will open. Oh, great. Right guys, so here we go. Crypto tab, oh my god, it's finally here on this phone. This phone sucks, and I regret my decisions in life. Anyways, moving on, accept and continue, here we go. Oh, come on! Are you serious? And here we are guys, fast and light and comfortable, unlike this phone. But what we're gonna do is actually go ahead and start browsing. Okay, so we have Crypto tab as a browser now. Now I never really used this app before, but hey, we all start somewhere. So I guess we'll, you know, sign up with Google because that's the easiest. Alright guys, so as you can clearly see, we still need to wait 1 day before we can actually activate the mining process on this phone. So what we're going to do is literally just leave the app here on this phone for 1 more day, and then hopefully can start mining. In the meantime, we're heading back over here to the nice, beautiful phones that don't crash all the time. So I should have a much better experience with these phones here. Alright guys, so this took a little while, but we've set up all the phones, got them all done with the developer options, which I actually showed you guys how to do in the previous video. If you haven't already, check that out, card is above, and otherwise, yeah, let's jump right into what we came here to do today. Right guys, so quick update, basically these phones right here are actually having trouble running AA music, which is so surprising, and it could just be a glitchy thing, and I actually have to update these to Android 8.0 still, so that might be the problem. But for now, what we're going to do is actually work our way around it, and we're just going to go ahead and download Cache Magnet on this phone, and then we're going to run Honeygain on this phone right here, and then we can actually switch out one of the phones from upstairs, and we'll use that phone to run AA music. So that's the plan. Now we're going to go ahead and get these leveled up before my camera dies, and then I'll be right back again. So we just downloaded Cache Alarm, and I believe we just hit the jackpot on this, guys. Look at this, 700 points. 600 points, and there are a ton of them to download. At least I think there will be more. We'll give these a shot, and we'll run Cache Alarm on this phone instead, because wow dude, look at that. Alright guys, we are back, and my camera did die yesterday, but now it's a brand new day. It was getting late last night, so now we are back on the next day, as I said. Now we're gonna go ahead and actually check out the earnings for the night. So today you guys can see we earned 22 cents so far with these two phones, which means 11 cents, 11 cents. Moving along, we got Cash Magnet, which earned about, 20 cents roughly last night at level 2 only. So we're actually going to have to go ahead and level this bad boy up. But, for now we're gonna have to stay with level 2 because we need 60 hours, I believe, or 50 of passive running time before we get to level 3. So what we're gonna do is actually just click the start button right here and let it keep going. There we go, it's running very nicely now. For the moment of truth, guys, we're coming over to Cash Alarm. So this app had crazy offers. Now if you guys do want to go ahead and check it out, link is in the description. I'll even make a brand new video on it if you don't know how to use it. But essentially, guys, we're gonna get right into the profits right now. And we have ourselves, oh geez, dude, look at that. Damn. Okay, so how much can we actually get if we go into cash outs, guys? So last night we almost made $5 just by running this app in one night. That's insane. You guys can see we haven't even used up all our offers yet. We still got a ton of time left on this one, and this one. And oh, look at that. We got a brand new offer to download as well. Dude, this app, crazy. I'm gonna have to make a brand new video on this, but if you guys do already know how to use it, link is in the description as always. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and actually download this brand new offer. Now once it's finished downloading, we'll run it, I guess, but for now we're just gonna go over and actually run the next game so that we can get even more points, and then I'll give you guys an update on the earnings in the next episode. So yeah, guys, that is basically the phone farm for Nexus 5s. Now we're gonna go over here and check out these phones right here and see what is happening. So far I've only set up one phone because I wanted to see what we can actually do with these. Alright guys, so with this phone right here, we're trying to run CryptoTab, but we still have to keep this active as our browser for one day apparently before we can start mining. Now technically it hasn't been one full day yet, it's been like 16 hours or so, I have no idea. But yeah guys, I guess we'll just keep this app on the phone for a little bit of time, and hopefully we can make a nice amount of money from these phones right here. So if you do take anything out of this video, make sure you guys get at least decent, half decent phones. Those ones are there, please don't even go near it, it's trash. Don't, just stay away. Remember guys, if you want a higher end phone, look for the phones with a fingerprint. That will actually allow you guys to run apps passively without having it crash all the time. So yeah guys, that is basically our little phone farm right here. We have a whole bunch of different phones there too, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it's very messy. So yeah guys, next episode we're doing the cash outs, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Click this video right here to earn more money online, and with that being said, I'll see you over there. Peace out for now.